हिकिड़ो शेर लिखियो हुयो, हुन में शेख हयाज मूं थोरो ॾोहीड़ो बि हयो त मां उहो गुनगुनाइण चाहींदुसि तव्हां लाइ. Those days, 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 those days, 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 when I had in your heart a deep space. Those days, 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 Yahur kurre na baseran ji, TV di saakh saveran ji. रात लड़ी हूँ अचेड़ोआ, तू छोड़ न पायल बेरन जी. यहुर खुरे न बसेरन जी. मल्ल नवखात में क्युमान. Gone are the days of love, dance and dine. Those days, days, days. मुर की पहे जो पांध ॾिठो, रुत आई गाढ़न बेरन जी. यहुर खुरे न बसेरन जी. Those days, days, days. हिकिड़ो मां शेर पढ़ां. This is about the slavery that we are facing every day. A shackled slave. As a shackled slave, born in the valley of darkness, I craved for freedom, but was gifted a string of lies. Here, everyone pretends to fear God, but none really fears God. Murderers are said to walk free. Parachutes of criminals are ready for political asylum abroad. Country is tried like a lifeless entity. Constitution is a dead document. Legislators are lawbreakers. Organs of their imaginations have gone dry. They only know art of exaggeration. Rich is in pound of pleasure. Poor is born inferior. Action is enemy of thought here. Arguments have lost their logic. Supply side is static. An outrage of unspeakable. Slavery is interwoven in our fabric. There is no question of quantum leap. To speak for the silent slavery, there is no whistle in the darkness. None seem to turn this tyrant tide. Rambled is no further revolution. All are feeding false hopes, and this is my country.
Wow.